his anniversary. That's right, babes. Today is January 3rd of 2021, and on January 3rd of 2017, I started t-shirt side hustle. What you think about that? How many years has that been? 4 years, babe. That's a long time to do anything, but you know the best part about this whole thing? I did it my way. I took my own idea, I put it out in the world, and it's brought me a lot of success. Not only monetarily, not only money, but I've been able to help a lot of people start their businesses and get it going. What you think about that?
Cool, because you're helping people. It's like when we do house calls.
Yep. When you guys do house calls for your mom, you out helping people. So somewhere along this journey, I heard a quote. Well, right before this journey started, I heard a quote. I want to know what you think about it. It said, if you help enough people get what they want in life, you in turn will get everything you want in life. What does that mean?
So if you help, ooh, I just got another meaning.
What?
If you get what you, wrong one. I can't figure it out.
What does the quote mean? Just tell me in your words.
When you give, you get.
Yes, that is right. When you give, you know, and then it's also too important
treat
about
others how you want to be treated.
That too. It's also important that you give without expectations. You know, I don't expect people to do something for me because I did something for them, right? So I'm doing it with a pure heart, right?
So,
and
you don't mind if they do?
I don't mind if they do. I don't mind if they don't.
But they don't have to.
You're right. And sometimes people do. I have to learn to accept that. But anyway, back to you guys, man. I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me, with Jada, with Peanut, with everybody, the fam. And I appreciate you guys for being a part of the hustle team, the t-shirt side hustle nation out there, man, who watch and learn. I got a big giveaway going on right now. The thing is, you got to buy the hoodie as a piece of merch for my 4th anniversary that I put out. But that hoodie will also enter you in a chance to win one of 4 heat press businesses in a box. I'm giving away 4 heat presses, not no cheap $200 heat presses. Some expensive one, babe. What you think about that?
Cool.
Right.
Like $1,000 heat presses? Yeah,
they like 800 and 900, and some of them is like 450 and stuff like that. So I'm giving them away, and I'm giving away some Credit To Supacolor, and some of my vinyl partners out there are all giving stuff away. If you have not got into that, you have not purchased your hoodie, you still got until 11:59 tonight to get that done. But I don't care if you purchased the hoodie or not. Like, it's an epic way that I'm doing it. I think a lot of you guys should want to be a part of it. But take that all aside. I appreciate you guys for your attention, for hanging out with me, for giving me your attention, for supporting me, for listening to my recommendations, to coming back and commenting and telling me your success stories, for telling me when you're struggling so that we can take these tools and help teach other people how to start t-shirt businesses. It's been a long road, man, and I'm appreciative of your time along this journey, no matter if you was there from day 1 or day 650. I don't care. I appreciate you, and I will continue to give you guys as much effort as I possibly can, because without you guys, this whole thing does not happen. It does not work. If I didn't get the messages back, I would have probably I'm sorry. If I didn't get the messages back from you guys, I probably would have quit a long time ago, because sometimes you figure, is this even worth it? You know what I mean? And throughout that journey, we all gonna hit those times, but when you got people around you that support you, when you're not at your top level, and you got friends around that you might have met on the internet that will come to you and give you the information the way it needs to be given. And I've developed real bonds with some of the subscribers out there, some of you people out there who have been supporters of mine. And I know I can't always get to everybody, but I've been back in the DMs like it was day 1, man. I've been back in the comments, rather, not the DMs. It's best to do it in comments, but then I'm trying to bring you guys as much content as I possibly can. And it's been a great year, man. It's been a great journey. And it's a lot been going on, man. What you think?
Taking your shirts down Old Town Road for 4 years.
I've been taking my shirts down Old Town Road. I'm gonna press till you can't no more. Hey, I hope you guys out there are gonna keep pressing until you can't no more. That's right. And I'm gonna bring you guys another. I'm trying to make some more songs. What y'all think? What you think? I got bars.
Yeah.
Give me some bars about t-shirts right now, bitch. No, you gotta mix them up on the fly. Give me a rhyme about my anniversary of t-shirt size from 4 years. Go ahead. I'm gonna pick up after you. Come on.
Wait, I got to prepare.
No, we ain't got no time. We rolling. You wasting the people time. She over here wasting the people time. I got a rhyme. It's t-shirt side hustle all the way. It's been about 4 years and I did it my way. I've been grinding. I've been putting up videos. I've been waking up in the morning and putting up more videos. I went down for a minute, but I'm back. And now I'm about to pass it to Jada or she's whack. Come on.
I don't got no voice right now. I gotta think.
You can't think.
I have a mind. Whatever I'm supposed to do with it, think.
You got a mind. She thinks she's supposed to think. No, you're supposed to get it off the dome and go after your way.
No, I'm supposed to not waste time. I'm making.
Don't waste time. Hey, man, I'm done playing. But like I said, man, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys just pat yourself on the back for coming along on this ride with me, for choosing to hang out with me, and all that good stuff. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, here with Jada Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle.
Peace. I ain't got no bars.